Hi guys, this topic about brain normal functions and anatomy. You see this brain as having 100 billion neurons, and CNS contain brain plus spinal cord. And brain mainly formed by the neurons and neuroglia. Neuroglia are four types: oligodendrocyte, astrocyte, macroglia, and ependymal cells. Neuroglia mainly support the neurons and protect the neurons. Now, development of brain, it's developed from the neural tube, and this neural tube have divided at 6 weeks in three sections: forebrain progencephalon, midbrain mesencephalon, and hindbrain is rhombencephalon. So these three part at birth develop into almost adult size. Now talk about telencephalon, means forebrain. The majority of part is cerebrum of the brain. It's having two hemisphere which is separated by longitudinal fissure and connected by corpus callosum, which are the white bundle. Contains four lobes: frontal, parietal, and temporal and occipital lobe. Frontal lobe mainly having thought process and intelligence. Parietal lobe having Wernicke's area and somatosensory area. Temporal lobe mainly olfactory region and auditory area, and occipital mainly related to visual cortex and associated visual area. So these telencephalon having majority part of the brain and divided into four lobes: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, and temporal and occipital lobe. These functions are specific. Now talk about limbic system, which is also a part of forebrain, having establishing which is main control of emotions and fight and flight response, which contain the amygdala. So amygdala function is fight and flight response, and cingulate gyrus which control and planning of the emotions. And this limbic system having hippocampus, which are shoe-shaped structure in two temporal lobes both side, and these main function maintain the long-term memory. So long-term memory contains in the limbic system hippocampi, and you can see this limbic system is situated centrally, which connect the higher to lower brain and make the integration between the higher and lower brains. So this limbic system is mainly for control of emotions and long-term memory. Now talk about diencephalon, also part of the hindbrain, forebrain. And this forebrain having diencephalon having three parts: thalamus, hypothalamus, and pineal glands. And these function are specific. Now talk about mesencephalon, which process mainly visual and auditory data and act as reflex somatic functions. Now rhombencephalon divided into two: metencephalon and diencephalon. Metencephalon is two parts: pons and cerebellum. Diencephalon mainly medulla. Medulla control the respiration, cardiovascular, and autonomic functions. Pons connect the cerebellum with other brain functions, and cerebellum mainly function for coordination. So this is basic about brain. Thank you.